Okay, guys, so they're mowing the grass. It's going to be kind of loud. I'm trying to see if this microphone will help, but I'm going to show you how I do my stepping stones. It's pretty straightforward, quick, and easy. I got Sack Creek, the yellow bags, 60-pound bags, and I'm getting 3 to 4 stepping stones per bag. So, and the form that I'm using, this form is 14 inches here to here. So it's 14 by 14, but you know, it's not whole. So this is all there is to it. Right now I have a messed up rotator cuff, so the concrete's in my car, and I'm going to my car and filling this bucket. So I have, as you can see, about this much in here, and I've already put about this much in my 5-gallon bucket here. So you just, and that's about right to fill up my form. So you just dump it in, add water, stir, and then before you put it in your form, I don't even clean mine in between, and it still works. You can just get whatever oil you have, and you can oil it with a paper towel. I have coconut oil, cooking spray. I spray it inside. They come out fine. And then I have it on a piece of cardboard that's a little bit warped. We've had a lot of rain, but anyway, I have it on here just till it gets partially dry. Then I take it out of the form and put it on the bench to the picnic table and let it complete drying, so I can go ahead and start making another one. So that's really about all there is to it, but I'll mix it up and show you the consistency that I use, and really nothing else to it. You can hear we have a lot of traffic right here. I'm on a main road. So I'm just adding water and stirring until I get it right. So this is how mine looks. When I get done, I'm going to go take a picture of the bag that's in my car so you can see exactly what it is. It's here in East Texas, it's like $4.50 a bag, so you can't beat that for making that many stepping stones of that size. And I just come out and make a couple when we don't have rain, because we've had a lot of rain. But not much else to it. I just take this, spray it around the edges, put it on the cardboard, then you don't want it really too wet, because it seeps out under the edges of your form, but you don't want it too dry that it will crack. So it's not really that big of a science, but I've figured out that about like this is perfect. Can't be easier than that. So I'm going to go rinse out off my bucket and my shovel, and then I'll take a picture of the bag so you'll know what it is. This is the concrete mix that I used. Okay, now I'm going to take the still semi-damp paver out of the form. It takes a little bit. You've got to kind of work around edge to edge because it's still not dry. You don't want to break it. I did that to one. You just work your way around till you can get it out, and then you need to put it on something besides the ground. So I put it up on my wooden bench. I just flip it over so the dry side is down, leave the damp side. As you can see, it's still pretty wet, and that way it can finish hardening. And now my form is available to make another stone. So next I'm going to show you where I have put down my cardboard. I took some sturdy cardboard boxes, just ripped them apart, made my little walkway, checked to see how I wanted it. I wanted it to go from my front door around to the back where I have my little arch. And then after I put my stones down, I took a few steps and got them where it worked for my stride. And then I'm just using this bark mulch to go around and fill over top to keep the weeds out from in between. However, some people like to have the weeds to grow up and then just weed eat them, across. But I kind of like the finished look a little better. And I think it really took me 2 bags to go maybe 15 feet. I put it kind of thick, and I ended up spreading it a little close to my fence where my sunflowers are growing. And in my next video, I'm going to show what became of my sunflowers. Here you can see them above my head. They're a couple feet tall. And they did end up getting quite large. So it was something I had never done sunflowers before. And as a gardener, if you're a gardener, you just like to try things just because you haven't done it before. So I tried them to see if they would work out and how they would look, how they would work for what I was trying to achieve. I really enjoyed them. It makes like a tropical feel as I walk down my little path. It's kind of like walking down the jungle, getting back to my backyard. But you'll see that in the next video. So I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope you're out working in your yard, unless it's blistering hot like it is here in East Texas in June. But that's the end of it. I'm going to go wash up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.